Work on El Casita Madrigal and the rest of Pueblo Esperanza at Disney's Animal Kingdom is full steam ahead. The Tropical Americas project will be home to an attraction themed to the hit 2021 Walt Disney Animation Studios picture, Encanto. Thanks to BioReconstruct on X, we have some incredible aerial shots of the construction that is moving at a rapid pace. About 1/3 of the structural steel has been raised for the attraction's show building as of December 23, 2026. Something that sticks out in the ride's footprint is a deep section of concrete. It's unknown the role that this will play in the ride story, if at all, but it's interesting to speculate what Imagineers might have in store for this possible ride element. Concrete is still curing around the plot, with some concrete footers ready for structural steel beams. In Pueblo Esperanza, which translates to Village of Hope, we are seeing construction staging with pipes laid out for the construction that will happen in the coming months. Inside the village, a woodcarver has constructed a carousel with some of his favorite animals from various Disney stories. Across the guest pathway from the Encanto construction, framework for the foundation of the carousel has popped up. I was in the park the other day on January 7th, and I noticed a giant steel beam soaring across the sky, so I had to check out what was happening with construction that day. The steel framework of the Encanto show building continues to extend, as well as excavation in what appears to be the Pueblo Esperanza portion of the land. I also spotted construction crews hard at work within the steel framework of the ride's show building. We can only assume that the rate of construction progress will rapidly increase after Dinosaur closes on February 2nd, 2026, and the former Dinoland USA is fully blocked off to guests. As we see more updates, stay tuned to Attractions Magazine for more construction updates on our website, and if you like this video format, please let us know in the comments below.